Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 5, a boy's invention. What is an invention? An invention is when you make something completely new and for the first time. So invention means something which was created for the first time. We call it as an invention. Are these discoveries or inventions? Write the names in the correct column. So we have learnt about invention. Now what is a discovery? So discovery means it is already existing. Existing means it comes from nature. It was there in the nature. We call it as a discovery. Whereas invention is something created by a person. Look at the examples here. So we have to place them in the correct column. Electricity. So is electricity a discovery or an invention? Electricity, can it be created? You all know electricity means it's a form of energy. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. So it cannot be an invention. It is a discovery because electricity is formed. You see when it rains heavily, thunderstorms and lightning. So from lightning we get electricity. So electricity, it comes from nature, so it is a discovery. So there is a form of energy in electricity. This energy was first found by the scientist called Benjamin Franklin. So he invented that electricity is a form of energy that comes through lightning. Electric bulb. It is an invention. It was invented by the scientist Thomas Edison. Motor car is also an invention. Computer is also an invention. Whereas gravitational pull, it is a discovery because gravitational pull means it is a force. Gravity means it is a force that brings two objects together. You all might have heard about gravitational pull of earth. So gravitation, it's already existing in nature. Okay, now coming to the story about boy's invention. So a boy named Frank Epperson, he invented popsicle. Popsicle means it is the ice with the stick. We call it as a popsicle. So he invented this popsicle. So in this story we will learn about how this popsicle was invented. On a hot summer's day, Jahan was walking home from school. He was sweating, his shirt stuck to his back, and his school bag seemed to become heavier with every step. He was feeling so tired that the short walk home seemed endless. He was thinking whether he should rest for a while under the shade of a tree when he heard the tinkling of a bell. So a boy called Jahan, he was going home back from school, and it was so hot. It is a summer season. It was so hot and he felt very tired. He was sweating and his school bag also, it was very heavy and he couldn't walk. It was very hard for him to walk even a few steps home. So he was thinking that he has to take rest under the shade of a tree, and then he heard the tinkling of a bell. "Oh, that is the popsicle man," he said joyfully. He began to walk faster and at the same time digging into his pocket for the coins that the man at the stationery shop had returned him. All he found were 2 5-rupee coins, but they were enough for a mango or an orange popsicle. Frozen mango or orange juice on a stick. So popsicle means it is a frozen ice. Frozen means it's ice. Ice which has different flavors like mango, orange, juice on a stick. That we call it as a popsicle. So Jahan was very excited looking at this popsicle man. He ran to that person selling popsicles, and on the way he was finding if he can find money in his pocket. He went to a stationery shop before and he bought something, and the shopkeeper, he returned some money to him. So he was searching and finally he found 2 5 rupee coins. The popsicle man stood with his brightly painted cart halfway to Jahan's home. So this person was almost close to Jahan's home. The colorful umbrella that gave shade to the popsicle cart and the man fluttered in the hot breeze. Jahan ran the rest of the way and arrived panting at the cart. Cart means it is the box in which the popsicles were kept. So this was covered by an umbrella so that it will have shade on this cart. But the person who is selling, he is standing in this hot breeze. So what will it be today, mango or orange? Said the man, smiling. So he asked him, what do you want? Which flavor? Orange, Jahan said, and then changed his mind. No, mango. The popsicle man opened the lid and chilled air flowed out. Jahan closed his eyes and breathed in the cold air deeply. When the man handed him the yellow paper covered popsicle, Jahan was already feeling refreshed. So when he asked for a mango popsicle, this man opened this lid and there is a chilled air coming out and he was taking in the air. It was very cold. So he gave the mango popsicle and finally Jahan took the popsicle and reached home. He gave the man the 2 5 rupee coins and threw the paper cover into the bin attached to the cart. Then, sucking on the delicious popsicle, he skipped the rest of the way home. Eating a popsicle, Mummy said and smiled when she opened the door to his bell. Yes, it is so good in this heat, said Jahan, sitting down at the dining table to enjoy the last of his cold treat. Cold treat is the popsicle. So his mother she said that, so you're enjoying this popsicle. Then he answered, yes, it is very exciting to eat this in this heat. Mummy sat down too and said, did you know that the popsicle was invented by an 11-year-old boy like you? Really? Jahan swallowed the last of the mango ice. His eyes are as round as saucers. He asked, how did a boy invent a popsicle, Mum? So mother, she tells him that a 11-year boy has invented this popsicle. Then Jahan felt very strange that how can a boy invent a popsicle? Well, in America, there is a city called San Francisco. In that city lived a boy called Frank Epperson. This was during the year 1905 when Frank was 11 years old. He mixed some sugary soda water with a wooden stirrer and by mistake left it outside in the garden. The mixture stayed out all night. Next morning, when Frank picked up the glass, he found the mixture frozen into ice around the stirrer. He held the wooden stick and licked the icy mixture. It left an unusually sweet, chilled taste in the mouth. He devoured the entire icy candy. So this was a boy named Frank Epperson. He is an American living in San Francisco. He lived in San Francisco and in the year 1905. This boy, he took a glass of soda water, sugary soda water, and he took this wooden stick. Stirrer means used to mix like a spoon. He used this stick as a spoon to mix the water and he left the glass with that water all night. And when the morning he returned, he can see he picked the glass and he saw all the sugary water. It was frozen. It became into ice. Then he pulled this wooden stick and he ate it. And it was very tasty that he could feel that it was very chilled. Chilled means cold. It was very cold in the mouth. Then he began to experiment with flavored juices by inserting a stick in cups of juice and letting them freeze. He invited his friends to taste his creations and everyone loved them. Frank named these ice sticks as epicles, giving them a part of his name and began to sell them in the neighborhood. So he tried with different flavors, different juices, and he used to make them taste by his friends. They also very enjoyed it, and finally he used to sell these popsicles in his neighborhood. And he named them as epicles. Epicles, half of his name from Epperson. In 1923, Frank decided to take his business beyond his neighborhood. So he felt he should extend his business. He opened a stall of popsicles at an amusement park called Neptune Bay. He called his invention an attractive confection. Confection means something which is like a sweetened thing. It can be a chocolate or a drink. Confection means sweets. Not polluted by hand and can be eaten without a plate, spoon or any other eating tool. So he extended his business and he started selling them at an amusement park. And the advantage of eating this popsicle is you need not eat with your hand because there is a stick and you don't even need a plate or a spoon. Epicles became a popular frozen sweet all over America, and later Frank changed its name to Popsicles because that is what his children called it, an invention made by their Pop, their father. So Pop means it's a father. So finally the children named it as Popsicles. This name became so well known that today all over the world the word popsicle commonly means a frozen dessert on a stick. Dessert is again a dish, a sweet dish. We call it as a dessert. So this is how the popsicle was invented. Okay, now your work will be write the glossary words, and let's do this exercise. Number the events 1, 2, 3 and so on as they happen in the story. So we have to give the numbering. So first one will be Jahan was coming back from school. This will be the first one. Then comes Jahan was very tired. Jahan heard the popsicle man's bell. That is the third one. Then he bought a mango popsicle. 4. Then he went home happily. Number 5. Then mother told Jahan the story of invention of popsicle. Then invention is he mixed soda and left it all overnight. And last one is Frank found a frozen sweet in the glass. Okay, do this exercise. I'll send you the question answers later. Okay, thank you.